most supercharging is the ladies' hill. The ladies' hill nowadays, just one minute, let me show you, has a pin in it. And if you wear that pin down too far, the top would break off, and maybe you can drill it out. Sometimes you can't. But this is the most important thing about a lady's shoe. If it wears out, if it wears all the way down, it's a possibility you won't be able to have it repaired. And this is the fastest job you can do. You can do a lady's heel in 5 minutes, if you can get the nail out. The cap here has to come off, and that's the pin I was talking about, speaking of. Got to get that out. Sometimes you can pull it out that way, and sometimes you have to use the machine. Over here, now you can see the pin coming out. Then, just grab one the right size. Put it in there like that. Then you have to trim it. That's the way it looks when you finish it. Okay.